Hey guys, my name is Dei. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey, you can consider joining this family by clicking that red subscribe button down there. That would mean the world to me. So you guys remember this post right here, right? With me and the zebra. And you guys have written a lot about the zebra, which is good. We have a whole rap verse about it. So a few days ago, I posted this picture right here on Instagram and other social media platforms, asking you guys to write whatever you want to write in the comments down below. Also posted some stories and you guys delivered. Hats off to all of you. Thank you so much for participating. And so let's get to the finished song. Let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's do it. I close the door, I shut the world away. I ain't gonna lie that the burden is heavy, but I'm trying, yes I'm trying to make it lighter day by day. Days stand demented, my heart's cemented. Maybe it's your love, maybe it's your silent care. Whatever it is, but it makes me love the silent air. Nothing feels better than this. Tell me about it. Sugar crash, How can I remember to forget? Beautiful in the inside out. I know you'll always be the star in the sky. Whenever you do or dream, you can be in it. You're so talented. Someone new now, but hey, Rumi, I'm still young. Girls don't want a boyfriend, they want freedom. Boy, it's over. Juice WRLD, can't wait. You're sweet, you're awesome, you're wonderful, you're beautiful and amazing. Why you gotta be so cool? Nothing feels better than this. Tell me about it. Sugar crash, How can I remember to forget? Beautiful in the inside out. I know you'll always be the star. Whenever you do or dream, you can be in it. You're so talented. Gadon kapor yang smile, my sweet and cute lady. Gadon kapor is clean. I don't know how to sing common, so I'ma wrap it up in 3, 2, 1. There's a lady in town who loves to sit on the back of a zebra with a pretty smile on her face. She sings la 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 for 1,000 years. Look at the eyes and mouth of zebra. You know why the zebra is called the oldest animal. Wait for it, cause it's still in black or white. Sounds interesting. You have such a God-gifted voice. Make use of it. Okay, I'm having a diarrhea. Ooh, I gotta go. Have a good day.